Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to clone yourself in Final Cut Pro using the magnetic mask. Let's hop right in. Alright, so here I got two clips. You can see they're in two different spots. I want to clone them. So I'm going to add the magnetic mask. Select my subject. Make sure you adjust your mask so you get everything that you need inside it. Hit analyze. The analyze is gonna depend on how long your clip is. Obviously, the shorter the clip, the faster it's gonna be. I did speed this up, so it did take a little bit. Cool, now that it's done, see how it looks. Look too bad, but I'm just trying to see right here in the corner of his jacket looks a little off. So I'm gonna add a little bit more to the mask. Try to get everything so it doesn't look as weird, and hit analyze. Cool, let's see how that looks. Looks a lot better. And now we got two clones. Thank you for watching. Let me know if there's something else you guys want me to show you on Final Cut Pro. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.